Hello, my name is Nikki Bell, and I'm the director of the IU First Nations Educational and Cultural Center. The following presentation will provide you with a brief overview of the history and mission of the FNECC, the services we offer to our IU community, as well as a tour of our facility.
And I'm Renson Madarang, the Native Education and Programs Assistant for the FNECC. On behalf of Nikki, myself, and the rest of the FNECC, we would like to thank you for taking a moment to learn more about our Culture Center and how we support our Native and Indigenous students.
Opened in April of 2007, the FNECC is administered by the Office of the Vice President for Diversity, Equity, and Multicultural Affairs. The program is a key part of the diversity initiatives at IU Bloomington and has a long history of educational programs, recruitment, and support for diverse and underrepresented students. The FNECC works closely with the Native American Graduate Student Association, the Society for the Advancement of Chicanos, Hispanics, and Native Americans in Science, and other groups to support and sponsor programming specific to Native American students.
The FNECC is a gathering place for Native American students, a central hub for the Native experience at IU Bloomington. This unique place enables students to situate themselves and find a home away from home on campus.
Most important, students have the opportunity to empower themselves at the FNECC.
Students are supported, welcomed, and provided with tools, resources, and opportunities to explore their own identity and culture, while they establish important connections throughout their time at IU Bloomington and beyond.
Our mission at the FNECC embraces four components: to build a safe, supportive, and inclusive Native community, to actively support the recruitment and retention of Native and Indigenous students, to connect with and support students, faculty, and staff who have historical roots to the land that is present-day Indiana, and to provide educational opportunities that further awareness of contemporary issues within Native and Indigenous communities and create a campus environment that welcomes multiple perspectives on these issues.
The FNECC sponsors cultural events and programs for Native American students and the IU Bloomington campus community throughout the academic year. This includes guest speakers, film series, workshops in Native American arts and career development, and our annual traditional powwow.
Each of these initiatives shares a common goal: building an inclusive, supportive community for Native and Indigenous students on campus, while educating the broader IU Bloomington community about the diversity of Native American cultural life, as well as aspects of and issues within contemporary Native communities.
Let's take a brief tour of our facility. We're located at 712 East 8th Street, within walking distance of IU Memorial and in proximity of the LGBTQ+ Culture Center and La Casa. When you walk in through our front door, you will immediately set foot into one of our student lounge areas. Here you will also see me at my desk. As you proceed forward, you will enter the main activity or meeting space. This is where events, like our crafts and lunchtime speaker series, take place. Beyond the doorway to the left is our kitchen area. Feel free to come in for a quick snack or to rehydrate on your way to or from your next class.
On the right of the main meeting space is a hallway leading to the other rooms within our center. Upstairs features meeting spaces for the Native American Student Association and Native American Graduate Student Association, as well as study and workspaces. Next to our stairs on the main floor is the rear study lounge overlooking our parking lot and neighboring culture centers. All of our work and study rooms feature computers with unlimited printing use. The entire center is also Wi-Fi accessible.
Next to the rear study lounge is Nikki's office. On the opposite end of the hallway is our restroom and the library resource center. This room features a collection of print and audio media available to the entire IU community. This space is commonly used for smaller meetings, events, and classes. We would like to thank you once again for spending a few minutes with us to learn more about the FNECC. If you are interested in learning more or attending one of our events, please follow our Instagram handle at IUFNECC or our Facebook page, or visit us at firstnations.indiana.edu.
We also invite you to reach out and email either Renson or me to schedule a one-on-one meeting at our center. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, access to our center is currently limited, but we welcome every opportunity to virtually or physically meet with students to discuss their interests in our center and its programs. Thank you.